I believe eye gazing could change the world. When two people look in the eye, you look me in my eyes, all the preconceived notions, my skin color, my appearance doesn't even matter anymore. The two minds begin to meld. They say the eyes are the window to the soul. So when two eyes are connecting, it's two souls connecting. And I believe it'll change the world. Imagine a young troubled black youth, right? And a white corporate executive billionaire who may have some preconceived notions about that young black boy. And that young black boy would have some preconceived notions about that white corporate exec. And they sat down and they connected in eye contact for 5 minutes. Imagine that. Imagine the transformation that would take place in those two people's minds. You'd have the opportunity to see a part of yourself. You'll have an opportunity to see that light that's within you in another person that doesn't look like you. And it'll change the whole dynamic, the whole relationship. Think about times when you're talking to somebody, you're looking them in the eyes. Oh snap! That person can see what's going on in me. Let me dodge eye contact. I see it all the time. I'll meet somebody. I shake their hand, and I look them in their eyes, and I'll know how in themselves and how much love they have for themselves based on how long they can hold that eye contact with me. If someone looks me in the eyes and they're dodging, why are you hiding from me? The truth is in the eyes, and so I think we should incorporate that some way in society. And in your own life, utilize eye contact more. If you want to make a deeper connection, if you want to strengthen a relationship with somebody in your life, look them in their eyes. Don't even talk. Don't even use words. Words can be misinterpreted. The vibrations in people's voices can be misinterpreted. Eye contact cannot.